Evening, welcome to another Project Bimmer video of my 1995 BMW E36 318i, and in this video I'm hoping to start doing a tear down and fitting some replacement parts to replace the ones that were damaged. So in the last video I showed you what the damage was, and my plan is to start at the front, get all that sorted out, and then work my way to the back. There's a bit more damage at the front. And what I didn't show you in the last video is the headlight was damaged. I think I did put a title in saying headlight was damaged, but after I made the video I popped the bonnet, had a look underneath. Everything's fine underneath. There's no damage to inner panels. It's just purely on the outside, the front panel which holds the grille. I think the bumper might be alright. It's probably got a few scuffs, so I might have to replace that. It's quite easy to replace. It's just four nuts at the front, 430mm nuts at the front, and it slides off. Disconnect the fog lamps and that's it. It's really easy. And the front panel, it's just several bolts holding it on, so that should come out easy. But the headlights, I think it's about 4 bolts. I did watch some videos. Anyway, I'm digressing. So I said I was going to start at the front, so I've ordered some parts. Some of them have come, so I'll show you me unboxing them. So this is what I've ordered. Now I forgot to mention a bit earlier on. I said I needed a new headlight. I've got that on order, but that's not come yet because none of these look big enough to be a front headlight. So let's start unboxing. I've missed out my personal details. Now this one looks like one of the front grills, so we'll get that unboxed first. Just bubble wrap. So just carefully nick it with a knife. I ordered all this on eBay because eBay's quite good for second-hand parts. If you want, second-hand parts, like body parts, bumpers and stuff. And yeah, as I thought, this is one of my front grills. So that's the first of my front grills. I don't know if it's a genuine part or not, but as long as it fits, that's all that matters. So that's one of my front grills. Not sure if that's a left or a right, but never mind. Anyway, so add that to the pile. So we'll try this one next. So again, just nicking the plastic. Let's see what we have in here. And this is my replacement indicator unit. So yes, that's my front left indicator unit. I noticed the bulb was damaged, but that's easily sorted. So that's that. And sort of these boxes as well. Remember to recycle your packaging where you can. Let's be kind to the environment. So see what this one is. So I'm expecting, I think I've ordered 2 grills, the indicator unit, a left front fog light. Because when I had the accident, it was only the sort of front left corner that suffered. The right hand side's pretty much intact. But it's all on the left side where it damages. Let's have a look. That Chinese puzzle or Russian dolls. I'll move this to one side, I'll stick it on top of my toolbox. I'm going to keep that grill in bubble wrap, just get them out of the way. Right, let's see what's in this one. Yes, this is the the left front fog light. So I'll swap it out as soon as I take the bumper off. I think it's an aftermarket part. I'm not so sure. I don't see any BMW markings on it, so no. So what I'll do with that, I'll just leave that in the box. That's probably better, because I don't think I'll be fitting it tonight. No, I won't wait till I've got the headlight before I start fitting parts. So I'll just shove that, put away. Get that back in the box. So put that there with the other parts. Still need to dispose of all this one from when I scrapped the heater motor out, so it's all junk. So this should be the other grille. Yep, sure enough, it's the other front grille. Classic BMW look. A lot of bubble wrap. Which I might, yeah, that's the other grille. So yeah, I think that's actually a left one, and this should be a right. Let's have a look. I'll put them together, just make sure we've got a left and a right, and not two lefties. But I think that's it. Yep. Hang on, these look a bit different. Hang on, something not right here. Yeah, these two look different. Not sure how that's come about. I think what I'll do is I'll go out to the car and just compare them, see how they compare to original ones, because these definitely look different. Right, sorry about this. I don't know how well you can see this, but this one is the right one. That's the left one. But if you compare this right one, it'll fit, but it don't match. It does not match at all. So at least I've got a left one. So yeah, just thought I'd show you. Like I says, I'm sorry about this terrible lighting. I didn't bring any torch with me. So back to the shed. So this one, the right hand one, is not quite right. Well, it don't match. I'm saying we're wrong, but I wouldn't. And like I says, that's same as a OE part. So that's what I want. I want it back to OE. I don't look like it's been in an accident or it's been changed. So I'll get another one ordered. So that's not be a major problem. They are that expensive. I'll probably put this one back on eBay or something. So I'll need to put that aside. Now I've not bothered ordering it back. Only part I need for back at the moment is a rear light cluster. And as it happens, got the original one with the amber indicator. Got them both actually, but I wasn't planning on reinstating these. But I was planning on, if I sell a BMW, pass it on to a future owner. So that's it for tonight. So as soon as some more parts turn up, I'll get them unboxed and then can start fitting parts. It's now a few days later and I've had this turn up. It actually turned up since about a day after I shot the last bit of video, and I suspect this is the headlight. Looks about the right size and shape for a headlight. So get this box opened. I've removed the address label, so not revealing my home address. see if I can get this. Everybody likes a good unboxing. So, have I got this right? So I shouldn't be anything stopping this from opening. So it's probably one of those where there's a flap. Just keep on going. I'm not one for just ripping stuff. Yeah, it opens that way. It's like a Chinese puzzle, this. Right, I think there's only one thing for it. Hang on. I think I just found out where else it opens. Yep, that's it. See what we have. And there we go. One with the polystyrene. We have an E36 3 Series headlight. It looks to be an original part used, but original. And just get our indicator unit. Just move this box out of the way. So there's our headlight. It's intact. Yeah, the two tabs are, because on mine the tab's actually broken there, and there's some scratches on the glass, so totally unusable. This is fine, no scratches. Like most cars, I think it's supposed to be made of glass as the headlight lens, so yeah. We have one completely intact headlight unit. And this should just slot in, should just clip in. And there we go, that's how it goes together. So I'll just... Oops, no. I've actually found a problem with it. Unfortunately, the clip's broken off where it goes in. But it should just wedge in. It clips it in more than one place to the indicator, so that's not really a biggie. But it's better than the broken tab up here, I suppose. So. Just wait for some more parts to arrive. Like I said, the tear down. The weather's been absolutely terrible these past few days. Wind, rain, snow, freezing cold temperatures. I'm still waiting for my other grill, my right hand grill. I think what I found out, that's the fog light. I don't know what I did with that other part. Where did I put it? I think I found out why there were different styles, because this is actually a facelift part. But if you look at this, the slats, you can see the slats stick out a bit more, and this is all a bit wide. I think this is off a later E36. And the facelift, I think they did facelift them, and it must have been after 1995, because mine's from 1995, so I think did give a bit of a facelift towards the end of production. So this is I don't want a facelift one. In any case, I want them both to be the same, so I've ordered the one up is the correct part, and when that turns up, I can start tearing the front end down. Just seeing where everything lies. So I'll be coming back to you when my right hand grill turns up. It's another day later, and got something else to turn up, and I think I know what this is. I think this could be the right-hander grill. So I'm not expecting out now, so let's get this opened up. See what's in here. Let's have a look. Yep, it looks like to be the grill. Just carefully cut there and there. I hope this is the right one. Because I won't be happy if it's the same as other. Oh, it's looking good. Yep. It's definitely the same. Bit mucky to do the clean up. Probably clean that. But at least it's undamaged. Just give it a quick clean. There we go, just pretty much dirt. You've got a hook coming off it. That's a used part, so not expect it to be pristine, but there we are. We've now got a matching set of front grills that can fit. I think I might just end the video here. I'm not expecting any more parts. I've got enough to be starting with the front end, and I think I had a look at the panel, and that were all right. So yeah, I'll most likely finish the video here. I'll do this as a part, parts ordered, front end parts video. And I think the front panel can be put back into shape. The metalwork seems to be fine. Anyway, I'm rambling on, so please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching. That's silly.